Today we're working on the 997 Carrera GTS. And hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is DasCayman here. Today we're working on the Porsche 911 GTS, and today we're working on these sticky buttons on the radio. How to replace those step by step, all the parts used as well. Fortunately for me, these were only 20 bucks on Amazon, so I'll link them below in the description. Let's get started. We're working on the navigation and radio sticky buttons, as over time, the rubber on this interface here of this button kind of breaks down, becomes very sticky. So I'm going to show you in this video how to replace that for cheap as well. Everything used in this video will be linked in the description below. I think Suncoast wants like 80 bucks per button. It's pretty expensive. The ones I found on Amazon are pretty cheap, like 20 bucks, and they're going to do the trick. So let's get started. All right, the first thing you have to do is actually remove the fascia off this button. So you get a little fingernail under here, the little chrome thing, and pop this off just like that. Believe it or not, there's actually a fastener on this button here. So I'm going to be using a T6 tool, linked in the description below. We're going to go ahead and unscrew this right here. This comes right off, nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and load up that fastener on my tool. And now this actually does not recess onto this surface. So all you have to do is just tighten this guy, not too tight. I'll take my silver ring and kind of put it on there. I'll lightly put that on. And then we're going to hold down this silver ring with the button itself. Push it all on until it all clicks. This one knob is done. Let's do the volume knob next. So a little fingernail under this little fascia. That pops off just like this. We'll take our T6 driver, we'll unscrew this fastener right here. Terrific. Got the fastener loaded up on my driver right here. Put the new button on. All right, it looks concentric. I'll go ahead and load up, I'll assemble this, and I'll push it all in place and let it click. All right, guys, this is how you replace these sticky buttons on your 2009 to 2012 Porsche 911 Cayman or Boxster. Today we're working on the 911 GTS. If you have any questions at all, put in the comment below. I've also linked a tool that T6 torques in the description below, as well as the buttons used in this video to not have it stick anymore. Now, these buttons are very smooth, they feel good, they feel factory. I'm very happy with the result here. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you want a nice black 100% cotton t-shirt in either black or white, you can head over to my clothing store, link below. It's through a company called Fourth Wall. To be honest, I'm only selling things I don't want to wear myself, which include just plain black and white t-shirts, which you can see right here. If you want to be a really OG gangsta supporter, you can get some DasCayman swagoo. Alternatively, if you want to support the channel with my Patreon, we love that as well. And your tier gets your name advertised and a press support shout out in each video. And other tiers even go up to private one-on-one phone calls, giving advice to either cars, life, or advancing your career. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.